What's up, everybody? It's your boy Chad Lawson here, back again. I finally got bacon for another video, so this video gonna look way better than my other videos. Anyway, today we're doing a quick, not really review, but I have the Godox Lux Senior, which I've already used in a few videos, but now I have the Lux Junior to kind of compare what each one does, which one's better, which one to use in which scenario. I'm gonna show you the results, and it's gonna be good. We got a lovely model, Kayla, in here. We're shooting some street fashion. Kayla is like a sneakerhead, but like she can switch into the girly side. So we be like mixing and mastering it up. And we just on the street shooting dope locations. So let's get into it. All right, first we're gonna use the Godox Lux Junior. I have not used this on the shoot before. I took it to the shoot before and then I opened it up and realized it took batteries. So yeah, the other one you plug in, the Senior you actually charge. It has a internal battery, but this one takes AAA battery, so we're actually gonna get to use it and see what it does. All right, guys, we just get the first look. I did switch to the Lux Senior midway because I feel like the Junior wasn't putting out as much power, which is, I mean, it's the Junior, so it's not gonna put out as much power. It's running off a AAA battery. So first off, you know, just a first comparison, the Senior does put out more power, but the Lux, the Junior spreads more because this is kind of one directional. I mean, it still spreads, but since it has that cone on it, it's kind of shooting one direction. The Lux Senior is just flashing everywhere. So that's the main difference so far. But other than that, the pictures came out great. So yeah, going to the second location. We change it right now. We're gonna keep going. Start like.
It's almost set.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
All right, guys, so as you can see, we're in the shade right now. We're using this flash or the other one. They're powerful, but they're not like, they can't overpower the sun. So if you're shooting outside, you wanna get your subject in a bit of a shade so then this light can power through and brighten them up. There's some shots over there we're gonna put on the screen. You'll see where the sun's kind of hitting her back, so it looks like I had a backlight and this kind of punched through as a key light. But yeah, make sure you just got a little shade area and then these really can shine, because if they're in bright sunlight, it's really not gonna do anything. It's not gonna blast out that shadow. The sun's overpowered. So we gotta go to the last location. Pictures coming out really good. The flashes are holding up. I will say, I mean, of course I don't bought it, so I can't do nothing about it, but the Senior is it has a faster recycle time, probably because of the battery source. As I was shooting with the Junior, it was flashing, pow, 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 and then it started to get slow recycle time because it's AAA batteries. So that's the only really limitation I see so far. The shots where it did power, you know, correctly, they came out pretty good. But yeah, the Senior has more battery power, so there's nothing you can do about that. All right, let's do it. Thanks guys for tuning in. I hope my video swayed you to maybe purchase the Godox Lux Senior or Junior or both. They're relatively cheap. I think the Junior is like 60 bucks. I think that's like 80, 90 bucks. Get out there and shoot. Hope you learn something. Boom.